So today for our multiplication focus, we're going to be looking at equal groups to help us as a strategy with our multiplication. Now, when we do multiplication, we're basically trying to find out groups. For example, with 2 times 2, we're trying to find out what 2 groups of 2 equal. And we can use equal groups to help us with that. So to do equal groups, we need to take the first number, which is 2 groups of. So if we have 2 groups, they're going to look a little bit like this. 1 group, 2 group. And if we're having 2 groups of 2, we need to put 2 in each of these. Now we have our 2 equal groups of 2, and we know that we can just count up these dots in the middle to get 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. What about if we were trying to find 3 groups of 7? It's a little bit different. Now we look at this first number, it is 3. It wants us to find 3 groups, so we will draw 1, 2, 3 groups. Mine don't look quite even as circles, but they are 3 groups. And it wants us to find 7 in each group. So we would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now that gives us the answer. And again, we could just count up every single little dot in there. But we could also use our skip counting, where we've been practicing skip counting throughout this year. You can use the website Splat to help you with your skip counting. And we can go 7, 14, 21. Again, that's just a bit of a quicker way to count up all these little dots that are in here to get the right answer. But we have still found out what 3 groups of 7 equal. So there's a couple of activities for you to do on your slides. The first activity is you are going to just analyze this picture of these teddy tummies. See how many groups of teddies there are. See how many gumdrops are in each teddy. And then how many gumdrops are there altogether. You can just answer these questions on these lines. You can write it out as blank groups of blank equals blank. Once you figure it out, you'll know the answers. And then write the proper multiplication sentence at the end. After that, in your learning pack, you will find 2 worksheets that help you to practice this concept of equal groups in mathematics. You'll have to figure out the answer by drawing, just like they've drawn here. Okay? So if you have any questions, let us know about that. It can be a little bit tricky, but you guys are super clever, so I'm sure you'll be fine.